We're in Amedi right now in the top and inside the city of Amedi, and we try to see discover some of the old building inside the Amedi town, and then see.
This castle used to be a place of capital of Badinan, and for centuries the Jewish and Christian and Muslims used to live there.
The lake, as you see, because of short of water this year, and it's not been enough rain, and the same time as it's been when the Turkey is cutting down the waters, and this place right now, as you see, just before, you see them. I'm getting you inside. Yeah, there's some room. Yeah, it looks like it's been a school classes, different classes. You see the window in the room, and here there's another one. And I'm getting out of the door from here. Well, yeah, and back, as you see from here. Wow. Yeah, that's in the back of the school.